class maths. Today I am going to start new block, block 18, weight and capacity. S1 metric units of weight. Children, how do we measure weight? We measure weight in kilograms, grams and milligrams. Okay, now I will show you weights of units of weight. Do you remember units of length? These are the units of weight, like this, units of weight. In the units of length we write kilometer, hectometer, but in a weight we write kilograms, hectograms, like that. So kilograms, hectograms, decagrams, grams, decigrams, centigrams, milligrams. Okay, and you know children, in length what we did? When you are converting bigger unit to smaller unit, left to right, kilograms. We start from kilograms to milligrams, bigger unit to smaller unit. Okay, when you converting bigger unit to smaller unit, what you have to do children? When you are converting bigger unit to smaller unit, you know children, bigger unit to smaller unit you have to multiply. How much you have to multiply? Every step you have to multiply 10, 10, 10, 10. Okay? When you converting smaller unit to bigger unit, okay, that is milligrams to kilograms, you have to divide. So smaller unit to bigger unit. What you will do children? You will be divide. Every step 10, 10, 10, 10, 10 you have to divide. As you know children, kilo means here 1000. Kilo means 1000. So, for example, 1 kilograms is equal to how many grams? 1 kilograms is equal to how many grams? 1 kilograms is equal to 1000 grams. How children? See, 1 kilograms is 1000 grams. How many digits are there after 3 kilograms? 3 units are there. So every step you are converting bigger unit to smaller unit. So you have to multiply. Every step you have to multiply 10. So 10 tens are 100. 100 tens are 1000. So 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. Now 1 gram is equal to how many milligrams? 1 gram is equal to how many milligrams? I am writing in short form. Milligrams is I am writing in kg. Okay, how many milligrams children? There 3 units are there after grams. 3 units are there. So 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligrams. How children? Here 3 times you have to multiply. 10 into 10, 100. 100 into 10, 1000. So 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligrams. Now children, 1 milligram is equal to, I am coming smaller unit to bigger unit. 1 milligrams is equal to how many grams? Okay. What is children when you converting smaller unit to bigger unit? When you converting smaller unit to bigger unit, you have to divide. So how much you have to divide? 10 into 10, 100, 100 into 10, 1000. 1 by 1000 grams. This is equal to 0. See here, 1 digit is there. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3. So after 3 digits you have to write the point. So 0.001 grams. 1 milligrams is equal to how many grams? 0.001 grams. Now 1 gram is equal to how many kilograms? Here 1 gram is equal to how many grams? How many kgs? 1 gram is equal to how many kgs children? So you have to divide 3 times. 10 into 10, 100, 100 into 10, 1000. So 1 by 1000. So 1 here also 3 zeros are there. 1, 2, 3. So after 3 digits you have to write the point 1, 2, 1 gram is equal to 0.001 kgs. We can remember these units in kh, dg, dcm. That means by saying King Henry died gracefully drinking chocolate milk. Okay, you can remember like this. King Henry died gracefully drinking chocolate milk. Children, here 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. 3/4 kg is equal to how many grams? 750 grams. Half kg means 500 grams. 1/4 kg means 250 grams. Now I will show you how to convert some examples. I will show you how to convert kilograms to grams, grams to milligrams. Generally we use in our life kilograms, grams, milligrams. Okay. So now I am showing you some examples. First one 5 kg. 5 kg is equal to how many grams? Kg to grams. Bigger unit to smaller unit. So how much you have to multiply? 10 times 100, 100 times 1000. So 5 kg is equal to 5 into 1000. So 5000 grams. Now 2 kg 300 grams. Here different units are there, children. It is there in kg, it is in grams. So these 2 kg you have to convert in grams. So 2 kg, 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. 2 kg is equal to how many grams? 2000 grams. 2000 grams, 300 grams. So how much? 2300 grams. Now third question, 70 grams. 70 grams is equal to how many milligrams? 70 grams is equal to how many milligrams? For 70, how much you have to multiply? 1000. Again, grams to milligrams. Bigger unit to smaller unit. So 70 into 1000. So 70,000 milligrams. Okay. Now here see, check here. Fourth one, 2.5 grams is equal to how many milligrams? 2.5 grams is equal to how many milligrams? See, 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligrams. 1 gram is equal to how many milligrams? 1000 milligrams. Here 2 grams is equal to how many milligrams? 2000 grams. Okay. Now 2000 grams plus half grams. Half grams means how much? Here we know, children. Half kg is equal to 500 grams. So 2.5 grams means 2000 plus 500. So 2500 milligrams. Okay. I hope you understood. Now open your workbook. Now we will do workbook sums. Write date 25/1/2021. S1 metric units of weight. First question, convert. A bit 6 kg 100 grams. That is 6100 grams. So B bit 15.5 kg. So you know, children, 1 kg is equal to how many grams? 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Okay. Now 15.5 kg means how much? 15 kg means how many grams? 15,000 grams. 15,000 grams. Half kg. Half kg means how many grams? 500 grams. 500 grams. So 15,000 grams plus 500 grams. That means 15,500 grams. Here 1,900 grams. 1,900 grams. In this, how many kgs, how many grams are there, children? 1 kg 900 grams. Okay. Now D bit 4 grams 40 milligrams. So 4 grams 40 milligrams. Children, I will show you here. After grams, how many units are there here? After grams to millimeter. Here 3 units are there: decigrams, centigrams, milligrams. So here after grams only 2 digits are given, 40 milligrams. So 4 grams you have to add 0 here, because after grams 3 units should be. So before 4 you have to add 0, 4040 milligrams. Okay, now fifth bit, 2500 grams, milligrams, 2500 milligrams. In this, how many kgs, how many grams are there? Here 2.5 grams, because 2 grams 500, we can write in 500 half grams, so 2.5 grams. So F, G, H, you do it as homework. Now second question, Tanu has 13 kg of paper waste and Tina has 2400 grams of plastic waste. How much do they have in total? So what you have to do, children, here you have to add, because they are asking how much do they have in total. So here 13 kg of paper waste she is having, and Tina has plastic waste in 2400 grams. Here both are in different units. Here kg it is given, here grams. So children, you can't add or subtract. When you are adding or subtracting, you should make first same unit. That means kg to, you have to convert kg to grams or grams to kg. Now we will convert 13 kg into grams. Now Tanu has paper waste, how many kgs? 13 kgs. So 13 kg we converted in grams. So when you converting kg to grams, bigger unit to smaller unit. So kg to grams. So how much you have to multiply, children? 1000. 10 into 10, 100, 100 into 10, 1000. So 13 into 1000 is equal to how many grams? 13,000 grams. Tina has plastic weight. How many grams? 2400 grams. So now we'll add 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 4 is 4, 3 plus 2 is 5, 1 plus here 1. So how much they have total? Total is equal to 15 kgs, 400 grams waste they have. Now third question, how are grams, meters and liters related? So the grams, meters, liter are the basic units of measure of weight. Grams will measure in weight, meters will measure in length, and liters are measures in capacity. A gram, meter and liter are the basic units of measure of weight, length and capacity. Okay, I hope you understood. Complete your workbook. We'll meet in next class. Thank you.